Oh well.
I'm gonna run right down the middle.
I'm gonna use my small frame and sneakiness to sneak around. That, and I got a submachine gun, so I can actually.
Oh, me too.
Yeah, boy. No, it's actually a Mauser. I see how's it is. Okay, I see how's it is. Watch it, there might be one in the trench. Watch it, Bert. No slipping, no slipping. No slipping and sliding. Nope, I'm out. Okay. Okay, seriously, can I not get into my dump pouch? Please? There we go. Okay. He's on the corner of the hotel up here! Hey, P90, watch it. He's on the corner here. Whoa! There's one in the corner over here. Push it up, push it up. Watch this here. Yeah. Peeking, peeking, peeking. Yep. He's right here now in the building. I see a shadow. Watch me right here, direct front.
Yep.
Okay, moving. I got you, Bert. Yeah, I see him way back.
It's Carter, I think.
Yeah, I think so. And I am out. I'm trying to get this in my dump pouch.
Yeah, I can do that now.
Alex, watch this way. And then there's one over here. Okay, good. Oh, sorry! 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 I didn't get you, did I? Okay, good. Watch this way. Hey! I think the structure up here is clear. Yeah, I think the structure up here is clear. We can push up. Yeah, this one here, you can push up. I'll take your spot. Go back him up. I got you covered. Transitioning. Got you covered. Transitioning. I got movement, bank! Whoa! Contact, bank! This was not a good tactical position. Hey, I'm gonna run across this way, try and get into this building here, and then try and make my way over to the hardware store right here, alright? Alright. And here go.
Go.
Friendly. We got contact in the bank. If we can get into the hardware store, we can engage bank.
There's someone. He was peeking out. He was barely peeking out. He got lit up from a tree. So he was on that one either side. It's going to be that way. I don't think it's hotel.
Yeah, get this way. Get this way. All right. Watch it. Oh! Yep! Good shot! Good shot!
You right?
Damn it walking! Damn it walking! Alright. Hey, gas blow back. See if you can go through the trench.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah.
Is there still a guy in here?
That's why I'm watching.
There's one in the top window.
Hey,
Yep, I see him.
just run to the trench and just dive. All right, freaking dolphin dive. Go.
Hey.
I'll wait for you to get back. Mm-hmm. Hey, just move up. Keep down, move up. Hey, we're in contact from the second floor right here. If you can make it to the bank, you should be able to cut through that and get into that building there, that little structure next to the bank, and take pot shots at him, alright?
I can.
Alright, go. And it'll tell me if there's someone in that building or not. No one in that building. Alright.
We're on the second floor.
Yeah.
Yep, he's sitting there aiming right at him.
Hey, Christmas tree. P90.
Yep.
Just get in the bank here. You'll be able to cut through that way. Watch the second floor, though, alright?
He's sitting there aiming right at us.
Yeah. Let's see if I can get a couple of pot shots on him. Suppressing! Reloading. I got him suppressed. I got him suppressed. Woo! 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 Hit! Ow! Shit. Good shot! Good shot! Alright, let's see what I can do up here. I got fire superiority at least. Second floor, dude's hanging out on the doorway there. Oh, never mind. Woo!
That's on your team.
Oh, no, I was taking fire. Yeah, sorry.
Good job. We tried our best.
We did. Al, when I got you, when you're in that building over there, if you're on the corner of Old A, you can just see through that tree. And I don't think you can see me because I'm in the shade.
Yeah, I
So
couldn't see you.
I kept doing this. I would just shoot you out of the tree.
I legit did not see you, brother.
Mr. Al.